SAP Business One is a fully integrated ERP system. This means all your business data and functionality live under one roof. SAP Business One streamlines business processes. For example, Ron Burgundy, our sales employee, converts a quote to a sales order, but he wants to add a very generous 25% discount to the order at the last second. This triggers an approval procedure to his manager. Within seconds, his manager is alerted with the approval request. His manager can decide to either reject or approve the order. He drills into the sales order and sees the 25% discount, and then clicks on the gross profit calculator to inspect the margins. He can see the order has a healthy gross profit of 125%, and so he decides to approve this order. And once approved, the order is instantly released to the warehouse team to begin picking and packing. After picking and packing is completed, a delivery note is posted and the system automatically decrements the inventory quantities and posts the relevant accounting entries behind the scenes. And the ensuing AR invoice is raised and emailed to the customer straight away. Likewise, the AR invoice automatically posts the respective accounting entries in real time, which can be directly viewed by simply drilling into the golden arrow on the journal entry field. Furthermore, you can view the relationship map to get a graphical representation of your workflow and all the connected documents. This is a huge benefit for companies struggling to understand what transpired during their supply chain process. The relationship map provides a clear picture of our document flow and makes it super easy to track information efficiently. SAP Business One comes with extensive reporting tools and a plethora of reports, visual dashboards, and KPIs to help you understand your business performance in real time. Under the Reports menu, each module has its own set of reports right out of the box, and there are plenty of predefined visual dashboards and KPIs too. Just click on the Cockpit folder to view them and simply click on the plus sign to add a new one to your screen. And if you require a unique business report that isn't out of the box, don't worry. The system comes with reporting tools so that you can easily build them. Since all your data lives under one roof, it's easy to find information. The Enterprise Search feature is a Google-like search engine that allows you to search for any metadata within SAP Business One. For example, I can enter part of a customer's name and the system will retrieve all the information pertaining to that customer. I can filter down to see just AR invoices and hover my mouse over an invoice to see a preview of the contents, or simply click on the AR invoice to open it up on my screen. In SAP Business One, you'll notice golden arrows everywhere. These golden arrows are another way of saying, "Show me more," and allow you to drill into the details of a specific field. For example, I can drill into the customer code field to bring up the Business Partner Master data screen to see all the particulars about this customer. And within the Business Partner Master screen, I can drill again into the Account Balance field to see all the financial transactions that make up their balance. Gone are the days of chasing information in disparate systems. Customer service reps can find information effortlessly and resolve customer inquiries efficiently within seconds. The key benefit of a fully integrated ERP system like SAP Business One is that it streamlines your entire business workflow and eliminates manual accounting entries, thus boosting employee productivity, business efficiencies, and sales revenues while saving you time and money.